How to play 1v1 with your friends on Brawl Stars. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Brawl Stars, enter your login credentials, and then make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, click on Friends at the right side of your screen. Well, in this page, you will be able to see all of the people that you have added on Brawl Stars. It will also show you the suggested friends and also the invitations. Now you can go back and click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Different options will be available to you. Proceed to friendly battle. In here, you have to cross all of the bots and then click on solo showdown. Tap on the showdown that you want to play. In here you have to select duo. You need to make sure that the friend that you wanted to play is also online. Once they are online, click on play at the bottom right. You need to wait for a while for it to complete, and then you will be able to play 1v1. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can play 1v1 with your friends on Brawl Stars. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.